how to set keyboard mode to standard one-handed or floating on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down and click on Mode. After click on Mode, you will see one-handed keyboard is here, floating keyboard and standard keyboard. If you want to set one-handed keyboard, click on one-handed keyboard. If you want to set floating keyboard, click on floating keyboard. If you want to set standard keyboard, click on standard keyboard. So you will select standard one-handed floating keyboard from here. After selecting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set keyboard mode to standard one-handed or floating on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.